All right, thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of How to Knock Out a Design. Now, this is something that I didn't know how to do myself. Just recently figured it out, so I figured I'd share it with you. For this, I'm just going to use a shape. You can really use anything, but just for demonstration purposes, we'll just use this rectangle shape. So, first thing you want to do is go ahead and click on whatever um, shape you want to use. Go ahead and draw it out. There we go. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to go ahead and use the type tool. And just above, I'm going to go ahead and just type out the word knockout. Okay. All right. I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger. Move it. Okay, here we go. All right. Now I'm going to go ahead and move it right on top. And it's so easy. You're going to go right over in here, right click on the word knockout, go to blending options. Right here where it says knockout, you're going to click on this drop down menu, select shallow. Now watch how this knocks it out. You're going to take the opacity and you're going to pull it all the way down, hit OK, and boom, you got a knocked out design. All right, thanks for tuning in.